Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you were all fine and doing well. Looking for the cutest and most stylish crochet baby shoes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert in crochet, these adorable designs will inspire you to create something special for little feet. Let's start with the classic booties with draped cutoff, offer a snug and cozy fit, perfect for keeping tiny toes warm. Mary Jane style shoes are a timeless favorite, featuring delicate straps and buttons for charming finish. For modern trust, try crochet sneakers inspired by popular brands, stylish and comfortable, or go for mini crochet loafers, adding a sophisticated look to any baby outfit. Why not add some playful charm? Animal-themed shoes like bunny ears, bear paws, or tiny lion faces are absolutely stunning. Or apply for floral baby sandals for a sweet and airy summer vibe. Thinking of special occasions, crochet ballet slipper with lace detailing are perfect for baby first photo shoot. For colder month, furry lined booties provide extra warmth and cuteness. Make your crochet baby shoes extra special by adding personalized initials, tiny bows, or colorful embellishment. Mix and match yarn colors for a unique handmade touch. Crocheting baby shoes is a fun and heartwarming. Crocheting baby shoes is a fun and heartwarming project, whether for your little one as a thoughtful gift. Which design your favorite? Let me know in the comment below, so I will upload more designing ideas for you on my YouTube channel, so that you can watch more ideas like these and gain information from my YouTube videos. Which type of new video you want, leave the comment. I will upload new videos about your comment, about your size, about your choice.